Wait, do you want to do like one quick chug of wine and then we'll go?
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Is This Adulting? We are just coming out of the holiday season. Thank God I'm exhausted. We're getting back to our schedules, which is really exciting. And something that I did over break, Shannon, that I wanted to tell you about, it was so funny, is I'm going through all my bank statements like I normally do each month. A lot of purchases for gifts, so I'm making sure that buying online, that my card's not being stolen or anything.
Yeah.
So I'm keeping an eye on what I'm buying. And I see a maintenance fee charge for $15. And I'm like, maintenance fee? I'm like, for what?
Yeah, what is
so I
that?
go,
yeah.
I'm like, okay, let's see. I'm like, let's see what the internet has to say. So I go online and I type in, what does a maintenance fee mean for TD Bank? So I learned that, it said, a maintenance fee is charged if you go below $100 in your checking account. And I was like, I'm not going below $100. I'm like, I'm not that I got a lot of money, but I'm like, I'm definitely not going under $100. So I call this customer service people and I'm like, hey, I was just wondering what this charge is for. I looked online, it says I had to go under 100, but I know I didn't go under 100. She's like, really nice, helping me out. So she's like, yeah, it looks like you went to $92 on December 9th, but it was only under for 2 days, so you probably didn't catch it. And I'm on the phone and I'm like, oh my God, what did I do? I was so shocked. So thankfully she was able to take it off for me, but I didn't realize that you were charged a maintenance fee if you don't keep at least $100 in your account. So what I learned, Shannon, is that most banks, I think, should have something set up where they can alert you that you're getting close to a certain number that you set as your, preset number, that you're getting close to that number. That way, if you need to put more money into that account, you can, so you avoid getting charged these maintenance fees, which I did not know about. But now I know, and I wanted to share that with everybody else, is to make sure you know what your limit is and not to go under it.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Only for 48 hours, too. Jeez.
And I'm usually pretty good about it. So when I was like, there was no way. That didn't happen. And, this poor lady was like, yeah, this girl's crazy.
Well, that was nice of her to take it off.
Yeah.
What a nice lady. I also had some weird stuff happening to me. Recently, Chicago had a snowstorm, so I was like, okay, I need to take care of this, and I'm going to be a great neighbor, and I'm going to go out and shovel. Well, I went outside, and my shovel was frozen to the ground, and I went to pick it up, and it broke. So I walked down to the local hardware store, and I was like, I'm going to buy a new shovel. I still want to be a nice neighbor. So when I got to the hardware store, they were all out of the cheap shovels because everybody needed one because of the blizzard. So I had to buy an expensive shovel. I was not prepared financially for an expensive shovel. But I wanted to be a good neighbor, so I bought the shovel, I shoveled, and now I'm a professional at shoveling.
Oh, that's amazing. Hey, maybe you can ask your neighbors if they want their sidewalks or driveways shoveled, and you can get some money doing it.
Ooh, smart.
Smart. Exactly. Well, we hope you guys learned not to leave your shovels outside because then they'll break and you can't use it. And also not to, go below that certain amount of money that your checking account allows because you will get charged for it. So thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time and we'll see you soon.